Wow. Look at the weather outside.
Well.
This is in Pensacola, people.
Yeah, this is in Pensacola, people.
Be quiet on. It is pouring, thundering, and screaming outside.
It's like, what? I had to get on some thunder.
They can hear the thunder. I can't believe it's just like that bad.
Okay.
Okay, Navi, okay. Here's the sound effects person. It's just pouring outside.
Listen to my cousin Dante. He know the weather.
I don't know it. I just see it.
Just listen to what I said.
Okay. All right, peace out, people.